Hello guys, today as a Skimlock Engineering, we bring to you this infrared wireless remote control. This infrared wireless remote control is designed for accurate and reliable infrared signal reception. Also, it is easy compatible with Arduino, SP boards, and other microcontrollers. Also, it's perfect for smart home systems, DIY electronics, and robotic projects. Also, it has a low power consumption, fast response, and simple integration. This our infrared wireless remote control. It only goes for 300 Kenya shillings. For more information, follow us. Our link is in the bio. Bye.